Hello, welcome to At Home with Dia. If you're new here, I'm Dia, and on this channel I share expert tips, DIYs, and seasonal styling ideas to help you create a home that's both elegant and practical. Now, today is quite different. I have some exciting news to share with you. Things are changing here at Home with Dia. It's definitely bittersweet because if you've been following for a while, you know this home has been the backdrop for many of the projects, design tips, and seasonal styling ideas that I've shared over the past few years. But we've sold the house and we will be moving soon. I know many of you have been asking for a home tour, so I thought, what better time to show you around before we start packing. And be sure to stay with me until the end because I will be letting you in on what's coming up next with the channel. I think it's something that you will love. Following is how the house looked when it was on the market, which will give you an overall view of what it looked inside and out. And now, let me share some of my favorite seasonal styles throughout the last couple of years. So that was one last look at this space before the next chapter begins. It's truly been a joy sharing this space with you through every project, every seasonal refresh, every small decorating, styling moment. But don't worry, things are about to get even more exciting here at Home with Dia. Over the next few months, I will show you how I turn an 800 square foot apartment into a cozy, inviting, and elegant home while we wait for our new home to be built. You'll also get a behind-the-scenes look at the building process and the design decisions. Plus, with the holidays just around the corner, there will be plenty of festive decorating ideas to keep you inspired. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to subscribe and follow me on this next adventure. And if you've been following me for a while, I'd like to thank you for your support. It really means the world to me. I'm excited to share this next chapter and more decorating ideas and designer tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.